Hello and welcome to another Top Tips YNAB video from me, Aoife Gaffney, Prudence Moneypenny Coaching, the Money Coach. I'm a huge fan of YNAB, as in you need a budget, and you will find a link to this wonderful money management software in the comments below this video. I got a tax refund today on my income tax, which is absolutely fantastic. As a self-employed person, I need to submit an annual tax return, but whether you do or not, whether you're employed or self-employed, this principle, you can use this principle. So I got the tax refund, but I didn't want to add it to my available to spend money, because it's not really, the money isn't really mine. Yes, it was tax that I overpaid, but I may well need that money to fund my tax bill come November 2024. So you see here at the moment, all of my money has been assigned. So all of the money in my various different bank accounts, which are listed here on the left-hand side, all of that money has been assigned to the various headings that I've set up here. And this is a demonstration plan, so some of the headings might look a bit strange. So here I have set up a category group called annual expenses, and under this one I might put maybe my property taxes, my income tax, my car insurance, my home insurance, or I might separate them out into insurances. It really depends on how you like to set up your spending plan and what kind of headings that you like to use. So just for the purposes of this demonstration, I have a category here called income tax, and I've already allocated €100 to that category, and that is money that I will be potentially paying in November 2024, depending. I haven't completed my returns for 2023 yet, but I usually have a vague idea of how much I need to pay. So I got a tax refund, and okay, let's say I actually keep my business account separate, but just for the purposes of this demonstration, let's say it came into my day-to-day spending account. So I'm going to add this in, and it came in from the Revenue Commissioners. Now, what I could do here, and this is where it becomes quite important, is to, if you get a refund or you return something to a shop, do you want to add that money to your ready to assign, which is I can put it into any category I want, or do I want to add it back into the category that it came from? So for this case, I want to put my income tax refund, I want to put it back into the income tax jar. And it was for my 2022 returns. And let's say I got a refund of €200. So when I come back up to my budget screen, you'll see here that I don't have any more money to assign. But when I come to my income tax category, jam jar envelope, I now have €300 available in that category. So I am future funding my tax bill, which will be payable, because I live in Ireland, will be payable in November 2024, and it will be based on my income for 2023. So this refund that came into my bank account, so when I look at my bank balance, I'm kind of just ignoring that extra money there, but I am allocating it to my tax bill, which will happen in November 2024. So if you do get a refund on something, or you get unexpected money and you want to allocate it to a particular category in advance, when you are adding that money as a transaction into whatever account it comes into, just make sure that instead of putting it into the ready to assign, which will go into money that is available for you to spend, that you immediately allocate it to whatever relevant category that you want, so it doesn't show up as money that is available for you to spend. And that is today's video. Like I said, the link for this particular piece of software, YNAB, will be in the comments below. If you have specific questions or anything that you would like me to cover as to how to get the most out of YNAB, please just put a comment below this video or drop me a line, askprue@prudencemoneypenny.com.